Our beast pose step back, we're again setting up in a nice quadruped position with the knees about an inch off the floor. As we look at our setup position here, we've got straight line from the shoulder to hip, the wrist and elbow stay stacked and pressing away from the ground, and we've got that knee just in front of the hip. As we extend the legs back, the aim of the game here is to ensure we're not shifting from side to side, and in our back position again we should see a straight line from the heel to the shoulder, wrist and elbow still stacked and the hips nice and level.
We've got Darren set up here in beast pose. How do we know
so here we've got Carrie in a pretty much perfect beast pose. We've got wrist, elbow, shoulder stacked, knee in front of hip, and a good shake happening. That's how you know she's in the right spot. And down, good Carrie, really good.
There's a nice straight line from hip to shoulder.
One more to go, just bring those wrists back just a little bit. That's it, a little bit of external rotation now, screw the elbows behind you, push in, up and hold.
Through your shoulder blades a wee bit more.
There Carrie, excellent, excellent, hold, 5, 4,
and you just want
3,
you to breathe there.
2,
Shift your
1,
hips back towards your heels an inch or two.
and up.
There, mate.
So here we've got Carrie in a pretty much perfect beast pose. We've got wrist, elbow, shoulder stacked, knee in front of hip, and a good shake happening. That's how you know she's in the right spot. And down, good Carrie, really good. Okay, one more to go. Just bring those wrists back just a little bit.
And down.